If you want to know how to do keyword search and find low competition keywords, or if you want to increase any of your existing website or YouTube channel, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how you can do keyword search and find low competition keywords for your AdSense website or for your YouTube channel. Also, you can use this method for your Amazon affiliate website to increase your website revenue. So let's start. But before you start, make sure you watch this video till the end. And also, I want to tell that this video is totally beginner friendly. I will show you a step-by-step guide to do keyword research. So even if you don't have any prior knowledge of how to do keyword search, then don't worry. Let's start. First of all, you have to search Uber Suggest in Google, and then click on the first link, neilpatel.com/ubersuggest. So it is a tool created by Neil Patel. Actually, he bought this tool for $1,20,000, and since then he is improving this tool regularly, and this tool has become very popular among the digital marketers. And the best thing is that this tool is totally free. You don't have to pay any money like other tools such as Href, KW Finder, and etc. So what you have to do is I will teach you here two methods. The first method is directly using phrase. If you know that phrase, then you can directly put the phrase here. Let's suppose we are going to target laptop niche, Amazon affiliate website. Then what we will do, if you know the phrase, then you can directly put keyword here. Let's suppose we will put best laptop under $1,000. Then you can also change country if you want. I will keep the same United States. Then click on the search. So it will load. As you can see, it's loaded. Here it will show the search volume of the keyword and SEO difficulty, means how difficult it is to rank for that keyword. Where difficulty is for Google AdWords users, means who are bidding for the keyword, and CPC, what advertisers are paying for this keyword. So CPC is $3.39, which is pretty high. And here what you have to do is to scroll down and find keywords ideas. Here it will show other related keyword ideas related to that phrase that you can find. So what we will do is to click on view all keyword ideas. As you can see, it's loaded. Here I have to sign in with Google, then it will show other keywords. So let me sign in with my account. So it's loaded now. Now what we will do is to try to find keyword that has good search volume. This is for Amazon affiliate website, means search volume is more than 200, then that's good, and SEO difficulty less than 30 to target. Because if SEO difficulty is high, means it will be difficult to rank for that keyword. So only target keywords that has SEO difficulty less than 30. If SEO difficulty is less than 10 or 20, then it is very good, because it's very easier to rank for such keywords. You don't have to build much backlinks or write post to rank for such keywords. So what we will do is to scroll down and try to find keywords which has low SEO difficulties. As you can see, here is a keyword, volume is 120 monthly search volume, and SEO difficulty is 10, means it is very easier to rank for this keyword. But there is a catch. As you can see, best laptop under $1,000 in Reddit, means users are searching for threads in Reddit, means there is no use of this keyword. Let's check some other keywords. So there is another, best gaming laptop under $1,000 Reddit, SEO difficulty is 30. It is also the same, so we will not target such keywords. Let's check some other keywords. There is no keyword in this category, in this keyword. So let's type best laptop under $500. It's taking time. You can see it's loaded. So we will try to find. Here also the same thing. But if you have keyword phrase which has low competition, then you can find this keyword this competition is very saturated. Many people are targeting in this keyword, in this niche. If you have keyword that has less competition, then you can use this method. This method is not effective when you don't know the exact keywords phrase. This niche is very competitive, so it is very difficult to find keywords in this niche. So let's move to the second method. Cannot find any good keywords in this method, so let's check the second method. So second method is that we will again go back to Uber suggest dashboard. Not here. We will go to overview, and then we will put domain name. Means if you are targeting, let's suppose I am targeting APK niche, then I am going to choose a domain in this niche who is ranking well and getting decent amount of traffic from Google. Let's suppose I am going to use apkmirror.com. apkmirror.com. It is a established site in this niche and getting decent amount of traffic from Google. So we will keep the country same. United States. We can change the country if you want. If your targeting country is different, then you can change it, and then click on the search. So as you can see, data is loaded. This site is ranking for more than 6 lakh keywords, and organic monthly traffic is more than 22 lakhs, which is huge. Domain score is also good. As I said, it is an established website in this niche. Backlink is also very high. So what we will do is scroll down and try to find keywords by clicking here, view all SEO keywords this domain ranks for. So let's click. And here what you have to do is to try to find keywords which has good search volume and SEO difficulty. So let's try to find. As you can see, there are some keywords who has less SEO difficulty. It's 18 SEO difficulty, means it's pretty easy to rank for this keyword. But keyword type is X Infinity My Account application, which is not a keyword that we should use. Amex player, not. Download APK, text now APK. So as you can see, we have found a keyword, text now APK. Search volume is 12,000 monthly search volume, and SEO difficulty is 18, means it's pretty easy to rank for that keyword, and we don't have to build too much backlinks or build content for this keyword. So in this way you can find lots of keywords. Let's check some other keywords. Instagram APK, it has 12,000 monthly searches and SEO difficulty is 22. It's also a good keyword that we can target. So let's check some other keywords. If we find PUBG Mobile Lite, Google Play Services APK, this one is also very easy. It has almost 10,000 searches and SEO difficulty is 8, means very low. You can rank for this keyword if you write good content, and if your site is brand new, then it may require some backlinks. But if your site is old, if your site is old, means 6 months old or 1 year old, more than 1 year old, then you can rank for this keyword. So let's we will try to find other keywords using the keywords we have found here. So here we can see text now APK. So what we will do, copy this keyword and then we will put it here, and then we will try to find keywords related to it. So here it is loaded, the keyword overview, text now APK, search volume is same 12,000, SEO difficulty 18, AG it's showing, where difficulty is easy. This is for Google PPC users, and CPC is $0.78, means you will get $0.78 for each click you get on your AdSense ads. Let's calculate how much you can earn from this keyword if you rank for this keyword in Google in first phase. So let's open calculator, and then let's suppose if the CTR is 1, then how much you will earn. So 100 divided by 100 means total 121 clicks you will get if CTR is 1. But in organic traffic, CTR generally ranges from 1 to 5%. Means let's suppose if CTR is 3, then we will directly multiply with 3, means total 363 click you will get from the search volume, and CPC is 0.78, so we will multiply that 0.78. So total monthly earning will be almost $300. Also it's not very accurate, CPC may differ, your earnings may not be the same as shown here, it may differ because CPC involves many other factors too, but it's just an estimation that how much you can earn. So let's suppose if you rank for search 10 keywords, then how much you will earn? It will be almost $3,000 per month. It's pretty decent.